It's Animarsh Lab. Oh, welcome to the Animarsh Laboratory. What kind of experiment are we going to do today, Nino? Huh? A bubble wand? A bowl of water? And liquid soap. We're going to make soap bubbles, aren't we? Please show us how to do it, Nino. Pour the liquid soap into the bowl of water. Then stir the mixture thoroughly until it's foamy. Dip the bubble wand into it, and all you have to do now is blow it slowly. Such an interesting